Before starting, let me see that how many students are present today. I'm going to take your attendance also. Well, guys, as you know, please open your chapter at page number 265. Page number 265, basically, it is the application of trigonometry. And when we are talking about application of trigonometry, so whatever the rules governing that, we are going to discuss. So kindly make sure that this chapter is open to you. Exercise 9A, it is the application of trigonometry. Exercise 9A, application of trigonometry, question number 1. In question number 1, a diagram is given. In the diagram, you can see that a triangle is given. The triangle which is given, I'm going to draw that triangle for you so that you must be aware of the shape, because I know that few students may not have the books. So please concentrate, because the application of all the topics, whatever in the last classes, these all will be revised here. Here you can see that there is a triangle PQK. K is basically is the kite. I'm reading the question for those who don't have the book. Please concentrate. Lexin stands at point P. This is the point P where he is standing, is flying a kite attached to a string of length 140 meter. This is the string which is of 140 meters. The angle of elevation of the kite K is 58 degree. You people are already aware of this angle of elevation. When you are looking at a height, then obviously your angle with the horizontal line is called angle of elevation. Okay, so angle of elevation is 58 degree. Assuming that the string is taut. Taut mean it is there is no sag in it. Find the height of the kite above her hand. We have to find out the height of the kite. So QK is required. This is required to be found. So which rule do you think that what should I do to find out the height above her hand? This height is required. So what should I apply? Well, let me take the questions of the students. Okay, someone is okay, very good. Well, okay, somebody has told me sine and someone has told me cos. And let me see that who is saying sine and cos. Okay, okay. Well, guys, as you know that perpendicular over hypotenuse, opposite over hypotenuse, this is called sine. So QK is the opposite over hypotenuse is 140 is equal to sine 58. So here we are going to apply the sine ratio. Well, now I hope that you will give me the answer after the calculations. So please let me know the answer, because I am relying on you people for the calculations. If possible, please give me the okay, very good. Someone has given me the answer 119 meter. If it is right, then okay. If you are finding okay. So few students are giving 118.72 meters. So you can also write it like this. The unit is very important. So Remember this, whenever you are solving a sum, you must check the units also. Well, guys, now I hope that it was a very simple question and you could have done it very easily. Now, let us do question number 2. In question number 2, two buildings on the level ground are 120 meters and 85-meter tall, respectively. Okay. Given that the angle of elevation of the top of the taller building from the top of the shorter building is 33.9 degree, find the distance between the two buildings. Now I am going to draw the shape. First of all, there is a level ground. I have drawn a line to represent the level ground. There are two buildings, as it is given that one building is 120 meter high. Here, this is the taller one, 120 meter. Its height is 120 meter. And the other one is a shorter building, which is 85 meter. 85 meters. Okay, these are the two buildings. Now I can represent a dotted line like this. This is an horizontal line because he has given me the angle of elevation. He says that the angle of elevation of the top of the taller building from the top of the shorter building. This is the taller building, this is the top of the taller building, and this is the top of the shorter building. So he is saying that the angle of elevation of the taller building from the top of the shorter building. So here, first of all, let me represent a line like this. So this angle, basically, he is saying that 33.9 degree. This is the angle which is given. That is why I have drawn this horizontal line, because whenever the angle is given, it is from the horizontal line, because the ground is under the foot of the building. So I have shifted this ground at this level to make a parallel line to the horizontal line. This line must be parallel to the horizontal line. So this is basically the angle 33.9 degree. Now what we have to do, find the distance between the buildings. It means we have to find out this distance. Say this is X, I am representing this X. Obviously, this is also parallel, so this will also be X. Now you can see that the taller building is 120 meter high and the shorter building is 85. So this height can be calculated very easily. This height is 120 minus 85, 35. Very good, bacha. So this height is 35 meters, because out of 120 I have subtracted 85. The shorter building is 85 meters, so this is 35. Now here, which trigonometric ratio can be applied, please? I'm checking your answers. Well, someone has solved. Okay, very good, bacha. Okay, very good, bacha. Those who have replied me very promptly, they have even solved this sum. So here we are going to apply tangent. Tangent is perpendicular over base. Tangent 33.9 degree is equal to perpendicular, mean opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over adjacent. This. So from here, X is equal to 35 tangent 33.9 degree. Okay, so answer is 52.1 meter. Very good, bacha. Let me check the answer of the rest of the students also. 52.1 meter. Okay, very good. 52.1 meter is the answer. Well, question number 3 is also very simple. So I am not going to do question number 3. I am going to solve question number 4. Question number 4. In this question number 4, a building is 41 meter high, given that the angle of depression of a hydrant from the top of the building is 33 degree from the distance between the fire hydrant and the foot of the building. Okay. Now what we have to do, that we have to find out the distance between the fire hydrant and the foot of the building. Basically, fire hydrant, you can see that the nozzle from which the water is sprayed on a building, that can be 1 meter high. First of all, let me draw the height of the building. This is the ground. This is 41 meter high. Given that the angle of depression of a fire hydrant from the top of the building is 35. Well, this is 35. I'm going to draw. Okay. Well, fire hydrant from the top of the building 33 degree. Now I'm drawing the figure. Now you will have to figure out if I am right or wrong. The two buildings is 63.1 meters. Okay, now there is a question number 5. Let me read the question number 5. Let us see whether you can solve it or not. Okay, this is question number 5, which I am reading before you. A boat is 65.7 meter away from the base of a cliff, and given that the angle of depression of the boat from the top of the cliff is 28.9 degree, find the height of the cliff. Well, guys, I am finding out there are certain students who may be confused regarding angle of elevation or angle of depression. So I'm drawing two parallel lines. First of all, I am going to draw the two parallel lines. This is for the sake of understanding of the angle of elevation or angle of depression. If you are standing here, suppose you are standing here and you are looking at this point A. If you are standing here and looking at this point A, then basically there is a line between P and A. So you are looking from here, this will be angle of elevation. Okay, angle of elevation, because your site is elevating in upward direction. Elevate means to go in upward direction. Now, if you are, in other words, if you are standing here at A and you are looking down, then when you are looking down, that obviously this is the angle of depression. Okay, so basically angle of elevation and angle of depression are alternate angles. That is why these two angles are equal to each other. So please don't be confused with the words angle of elevation or angle of depression. Now let us draw the figure of question number 5. Okay, in question number 5, there is a boat which is 65.7 meter away from the base of a cliff. First of all, I am drawing the base. Here is a cliff. This is the base of the cliff. And there is a boat like this. Its distance from the base of the cliff is 65.7 meters. Given that the angle of depression of the boat from the top of the cliff. Now, here basically this, he is talking about this angle of depression, 28.9 degree. Find the height of the cliff. We have to find out height. This is required to be found. So as I told you that these two lines are parallel, horizontal lines. So whatever the angle of depression is, the same is the angle which is here at the bottom. Again, you can see that you have to apply the tangent. Tangent 28.9 degree is equal to perpendicular over base. Well, so x is equal to 65.7 into tangent of 28.9. You can notice that how I am writing. Very good, students. Those who have given me answer before me. Student number 5 is 36.3 meters. Okay, 36.3 meters. So this is the answer. Very good, bacha. Well, now let me choose a relatively intermediate level question, because the question number 6 is also simple, very simple. Well, now I am going to draw question number 7. The question which I am leaving, you will have to take it as homework, like the question number 3 I didn't do, and now question number 6, 3 and 6 will be your homework, inshallah. In question number 7, a clock tower has a height of 45 meters. The angle of elevation of the top of the clock tower from the 2 points on the ground is 42 degree and 37 degree respectively. Find the distance between the 2 points. Now, I am going to draw this figure more clearly because they have shown 2 points very closer to each other. So I am trying to show these points like this. So this, as you know, that this point is nearer to the top, nearer to the building. This is 42 degree, and the point which is comparatively away is 37 degree. We have to find out this distance between these 2 points. Say these 2 points, I'm naming as P and Q. So I have to find out the distance between these 2 points. Well, guys, here I am giving you a point A. Okay. So it is point B. I have written these points for the sake of convenience for the better understanding. We have to find out this. First of all, I am going to find out the total length A till Q. AQ. I am going to find out AQ. Okay. To find out AQ, to find AQ, take triangle ABQ. ABQ. You can take the triangle ABQ. As you can see that ABQ is a right angle triangle, because this angle is the common angle for both the triangles. I am taking triangle ABQ. So tangent theta, tangent 37 degree is equal to perpendicular over base AQ. So AQ is equal to 59.7. Okay, few students are giving me answer 59.7. Well, is it 59 accurate or 59.7? 59.7. Okay, 2 students have given me the answer 59.7. Well, 59.7 meters. This is the length AQ. Okay, now I am going to find out length AP, because from AQ I'll subtract AP, then rest will be the X, which is PQ. Now Let us consider the triangle ABP. ABP. Again, here I am going to take angle 42, tangent 42 degree is equal to 45 over AP. Well, AP is equal to, let me check your answers. AP 49.98. Well, 49.98. Is it 49.98, or because if it is 49.98, why don't we take 50? 49.98. Students are telling me 49.98. So I am rounding it to 50 meters. Okay. Well, I have rounded off to 50 meters. Now, PQ, the distance between 2 points, which is PQ, is equal to 59.7 minus 50 is equal to 9.7 meters. Okay, very good, students. So you have done this. Uh, I hope that this is basically the application of the trigonometry, whatever the laws we have done. Well, now I am going to another sum, which may be comparatively technical one. I'm trying to do the sums which are technical instead of doing only the simple sums, because you may be able to tackle difficulties very efficiently as for the, well, from these questions, let me choose a question for you which I am going to solve. Okay. Now I am going to solve question number 13, which is from the advanced level. Okay. We should be able to solve the questions of the advanced level. We have 10 minutes, inshallah. Within 10 minutes, we'll be able to do this sum. Question number 13. I want that in the next lecture, inshallah, we are going to start bearing, which is a very important topic related to your syllabus, because bearing is also very interesting topic. Well, guys, this is the question number 13. A flagpole of height 12.2 meter is placed on the top of the building of height h meters, the height h meters, from a point T on a level ground. The angle of elevation of the base of the flagpole P is 26 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagpole C is 35. So I am going to draw this figure. I want that I must be able to draw this figure more clearly as compared to the figure drawn in the book. Okay. So here, this is the height which you are going to find. Please observe that at which angle I am making, how I am making this. This smaller, this angle is basically is 26 degree. Okay, this smaller angle is 26 degree. Now you can see that there is a flag which is on the top of the building. Say this is the flag. From the top of the building. So I am going to draw this, the line. This height of the flag is 12.2 meters. Okay. Now look here clearly that this angle, which I am drawing with the help of the pencil, this angle is 35 degree. Okay. Now, for the sake of convenience, I am writing the points which are already given here. So here I am writing a point on the base of the cliff. I am writing a point A to make you understand that which triangle I am going to consider. Okay. Well, first of all, I am going to find out the length this. What can I do? Actually, in this question, I'll try to make two equations because I'm not aware of this AT. I don't know that what is the distance between A and T. This AT is not known to me and I have to find out H. First of all, I am taking in triangle. In triangle, both the triangles are which I am going to take are right angle triangle. In triangle ATC, ATC. Perpendicular mean opposite over base tangent 35. Tangent 35 degree is equal to